So many people view dieting as some sort of cosmic punishment for not having the perfect body. They believe that enjoying food is somehow bad for them, which couldn't be further from the truth. If you want to be completely honest with yourself, when it comes to dieting, it isn't about giving up food or flavor, it's about discovering new foods and flavors. At least that is what it is for those who truly love food as well as adventure. There are many spices out there that can make even the blandest of foods a little exciting. Fish and chicken are popular diet foods because they are lean meats. However, adding a little blackening seasoning is a great way to put a little punch in your meal, that will make it taste great without packing on the calories of dressing marinades, or soaking in butter before broiling. You do not have to stop there. Italian seasoning can also add a little flavor to your kitchen without adding the extra calories that you are working so hard to avoid. There are all kinds of seasonings that will work well in this instance. Many great seasonings for chicken also make great additions to chicken, that will be included in salads for healthier lunches or salad wraps. Grains are good for you when you concentrate on whole grains. They are quite often the primary source of fiber in a diet, and you need fiber almost as much as you need water. At any rate, simple things that spice up the same old lunch can have a huge impact on your enjoyment of food. You can even enjoy the occasional treat when dieting as long as you do so sparingly. The key when dieting is to learn about proper portions and moderate indulgence. You can find all kinds of low-sugar or low-carb desserts on the market that you can enjoy sparingly. You can even find sugar-free or low-calorie candy in some cases, though you should keep in mind that calories, particularly when it comes to candy you eat unconsciously, add up quickly, and you must pay close attention to those things you put into your mouth. You do not have to sacrifice flavor in order to diet. You can live without butter. There are many substitutions on the market that are quite remarkable. But seasonings are a great way to add a lot of flavor for a tiny bit of effort on your part. Desserts are also great, and you can find many dip and sauces that can be made with fat-free, or low-fat mayonnaise or sour cream in order to cut a few more calories during your dieting process. These dip and sauces can often make a great substitution, when paired with vegetables, for those chips and dip we love so much and often miss when dieting. Cucumbers, green, red, and yellow peppers, broccoli, and carrot sticks all have a nice little crunch to them that, when combined with a good low-fat dip, can help cure the crave beast for greasy chips that often rears its head when dieting. If you watch your calories carefully during meals, you should be delighted to know that there are many little snack treats, that are pre-packaged in 100-calorie packs for your enjoyment. This means that you can indulge on occasion in those treats that you love most without sacrificing all your dieting efforts in the process. These snack packs have become one of the best marketing ploys since the invention of diet colas. We all want the benefits of losing weight and will readily admit that if it were a simple process we'd all be thin. However, having something like these 100-calorie snack packs to carry you through the worst of your cravings can mean the difference between dieting success and failure. They are definitely the difference in the old way of dieting and the new way of dieting without sacrificing flavor. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for our next video.